Jordan and I are about to load up for a little experimental camping trip. Try to ready some more gear for Montana. We have some new gear, some lightweight, ultralight tents, sleeping bags, just kind of the minimalist attitude and approach to the situation. So we're going to get out and test some of it out. Well, we just got to the river. It is extremely high. We're going to have to run a long ways to find a place to camp. Well, we're at our access and about ready to head up the mountain. It's gonna be a pretty steep climb, I think. Jordan and I are ready to get up there, though. The packs are heavy. We're anxious to get to the top and get rid of some of our load. Well, we have officially started our ascent, our initial ascent. I don't know, we're probably about 2.5 miles in, and I don't know, we've gained a little over 1,000 feet from where we started. It's we're starting to get up there. Anything to say?
Ready to put this in an elk.
Would be nice. We are at 7,500 feet. We came from, I don't know, I think 4,000 something, and we've had a total of, I think, right around 3,000 vertical gain is what the watch says, which would be right. We're not exactly sure where we're at, hoping to figure that out here shortly and go from there.
Have a little lunch break.
Yeah, lunch break, a little rest, tuna.
I just caught movement from a mule deer doe. We're gonna slip up here and see if there's any bugs with it. Well, we now know that it is possible to put a stalk on mule deer with a 50-pound pack on your back. 20 yards from camp and we just called in our first elk.
This is where we filled up with our water, just right here, not 30 yards away. And I was like, let's bugle. And sure enough, this open meadow, right where we trekked through earlier today, this spike just comes running in. Back. Where's he at? Home sweet home.
Thank goodness.
It's not much, but hey, it's not bad. All right. This is
First night in the tent.
Yeah, this is our humble abode in the mountains, and it's pretty tight. Oh, my back hurts.
Getting ready to cook a little bit of dinner, and then hit the sack. We saw some sign tonight and called in a spike.
Where's your flashlight?
And so we've got high hopes for tomorrow morning.
Oh, your feet stink. Oh, I just got right in the face.
It's good for you. Take a man out of you.
Oh, okay.
Got a lot of snacks at my feet.
Could be worse.
Good news is the bears will eat my feet before they eat my head.
We just woke up. A little bit of snow out here. Definitely got some snow. I heard it starting last night and I woke Jordan up because our boots were outside. I'm not sure he ever realized what was going on. Well, it's our second day of our hunt, and last night a snowstorm pushed in.
Well, we decided to